can start.
Okay, thank you, sir. So children, let me quickly tell you about the flow of the session. So first of all, you'll get to know your mentor, and then you'll see a very short PPT wherein you might get some useful information regarding your course. And then you'll get a virtual tour of the dashboard of Olympiad success, followed by a question answer round wherein you can ask your query, quench your doubt, and then it will be followed by the actual demo. Okay, I hope the flow is clear. Dia and Alam, I would request please switch on your cameras. Okay. So children, we have with us your mentor, Tariq Ahmed sir. And let me tell you, he's very experienced, very seasoned, and he's an expert in maths. Okay. And he's been associated with us for quite a long time. And he has tremendous experience. So I'll not take much of your time, and I'll directly request Tariq sir to introduce himself to you. All over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi guys, how are you? I'm able to see Akhil, Aro. These are my oldest students. Some new faces are still there. I hope everyone is fine. So now this is the demo for grade 10. And see, as usual, in the beginning, I will tell you how we are planning to going to execute the classes in coming 10 months. So as usual, I always start from the basics. So first of all, we learn the topics of basic. We will learn all the basics of the content, and then gradually we will enhance the level and take it up to level 1 and level 2 of Olympiad level. In this class, in fact, we have to learn a lot of things of class 11th as well. Because see, 10th is that class where we are not learning for class 10th itself, but we have to learn a lot of from class 11th or as well as 12th also. Because now the competitive era is begin with this class. So if we are able to learn something from class 11th or 12th, even in this session, then definitely that is going to help us next year, right? Then our final aim can be fulfilled no matter to which stream we are going. Basically, most of the students go to JEE examination or NEET examination. So in 11th and 12th, physics and chemistry and math, these are the three important subjects. And what I have felt that the syllabus of class 10, that is, I think 4 months is enough to complete the syllabus of class 10. But when you go to class 11th or 12th, then the syllabus is enhanced at least 3 times in every subject. Means whatever you are going to learn in this session, in 11th, you are going to learn triple of that in mathematics, in physics, and in chemistry also. So overall, the pressure will become 9 times when you are moving to 11th. So since I have been in this profession for 20 years, as ma'am said earlier, so it's been my 21st year in teaching profession. So I have seen a lot of students going down due to pressure in class 11th and 12th. So it is our aim that our students should face that situation boldly, bravely. So we are going to teach you enough of class 11th and 12th also, some basics which are required. So you are going to learn it here also. That's why we will always start as usual from the basics. We will learn something of class 10th, then go to 11th and something of 12th also. I think I won't take much time. Later I will again speak to you, right? When the demo classes will be on. So ma'am, over to you. I will again speak to them in the class later.
Thank you so much, sir. Allow me to share my screen so that I can give a short PPT. Okay, I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Thank you, sir. A very warm welcome to each one of you to the demo and interaction program for class 10. As we've already told you that this is mathematics CBSE as well as Olympiad batch. So as you already know that Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. And School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 important courses that really matter at this point of time in your life. So these 8 courses include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. So here you get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grades 2 to 12. One-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, PRMO. You can meet our international rank holders for the year 2021-22. These are all brilliant star performers, and there are so many. So the classes will be actually group sessions with around batch size of 20 students delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your tutor and he has so much experience. So you get 3 sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, from 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. So the flow of the session would be like 35 minutes of class with 5 minutes break in between, followed by 35 minutes of class. The sessions would include a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. Students, you'll also get reading material and practice questions, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And don't worry, you'll get a virtual tour of the dashboard very shortly by Rajan sir. You also get free access to Olympiad Success platforms so that you can practice topic-wise mock tests for both maths and reasoning, as well as for logical reasoning. So the syllabus is available at this particular link, and the fee can be paid by clicking on this particular link. So all the important and relevant links have been pasted in your chat box and will again be pasted. So you can avail the links from there. The fees for this course is 26,250 rupees, and it is going to be a 120 sessions course because it includes both CBSE and Olympiads. So the fee includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad Success platform for mathematics and logical reasoning. Okay, all that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed, with camera, because we do not allow students without video in the class, and headphones for better audio clarity. Now, as you are already aware that preparation for Olympiad exams is slightly tougher than your regular school curriculum, right? So you are required to spend approximately 2 hours every day to cope up with the curriculum. And of course, parental support is required at the back end to check answers, reiterate concepts and all. So you might already be aware that in 2021-22, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad. And these students hailed from 35 plus countries. Okay, so the classes for this particular batch starts from Monday, 17 April 2023. So that's all from my side. Now I would request Rajan sir to give you a virtual tour of the dashboard.
Yeah, so students, let me share my screen. So this is the website. I think my screen is visible. This is the website of Olympiad Success. Okay. So once you register with us, here in the My Account, you can click and you can log in with the credential that we will provide. And with that, you can access the content. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the student profile, and you can find all the content here in the live classes. Just need to choose the subject. Okay, let me log in for the class. I think it is not showing for grade 10 for now. So here in the live classes, you can find all the content. You just need to select the subject. For now, I'm just showing you for grade 9. Okay. Similarly, you will get for grade 10. You just need to choose the correct like topic, and you will find the reading material and practice questions here. Okay. So for each and every session, you can check the reading material and practice questions. Let me show you. So this is actually the reading material that we have. Okay. And here you can see the practice questions. Let me show you practice questions also. So these are the practice questions. Okay. Similarly, you can check the schedule here also. Okay. Like in which session, which topic we are going to cover. So this is about this dashboard, students. Now, if anyone have any doubt or query, you can ask. And as we shared, like we are going to cover a curriculum for both Olympiad and CBSE. So in CBSE, we will also like going to do a book that is R.S. Agarwal or maybe R.D. Sharma. Okay. So do anyone have any query or doubt?
Please type in the chat box in case you have any. We'll be happy to answer.
Rajan, just a second. I want to
Yes, sir.
interrupt.
Yeah.
As you said that we are going to cover the book R.S. Agarwal and R.D. Sharma, in fact. So on that point, I should mention here that basically we follow R.D. Sharma in the class. But apart from R.D. Sharma, we are going to solve a lot of questions from our worksheets, right? Then
Correct.
previous year Olympiad papers, and then sample papers of issued by CBSE for board examination. So many things. I mean, one line you are going to give it up. So if you are really willing to work hard, work many questions, then obviously this is uh, uh, going to be a good session for you. So you must be ready to work hard for that. Yeah, I wanted to mention this.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you. Uh, Students, do anyone have any doubt or query, or like, shall we start with the session?
No query, no doubt.
Okay, okay, no problem. Tariq sir, if you allow, can I unmute all of them? If they
Yeah,
want,
yeah,
they
sure,
can
yeah,
speak.
sure. They
Okay,
are
okay,
senior students, and you can unmute all of them.
sure.
They
So
should ask their
students,
doubt.
yeah. So students, for now, like I'm allowing you. So whenever you want, you can unmute yourself. Okay. So I think we can start with the session then, as no one have any doubts. So over to you, Tariq sir.
Thank you, Rajan. So, see, two topics are there in my mind. One is the third chapter, linear equation in two variable, and the second one is trigonometry. So I'm going to ask you which topic you want to see me here in next 30 minutes as a demo. So I'm asking to you which topic you want to learn, linear equation or trigonometry?
Trigonometry.
Trigonometry. Pike is saying trigonometry. Akhil is also okay with trigonometry. Aro is also okay. Yeah, I was also thinking that we should start trigonometry. In fact, trigonometry is introduced to you this year, right? Now you are going to learn this in 11th and 12th. So first of all, learn what is trigonometry. In mathematics, it is said trigonometry is the backbone of mathematics. Now, what is the importance of backbone in our body? If somebody removes backbone from our body, then what will happen to us? Can we do any work? Can we walk? Can we stand? We are meaningless. Everyone agreed? So similar to trigonometry. If trigonometry is removed from mathematics, mathematics is boneless. Uh, no backbone is there. That's why it is said that trigonometry is the backbone of mathematics, right? So this is the introducing year to you. In 11th and 12th, you are going to learn very much in detail, but we are going to learn a lot of things from 11th and 12th also in coming session, apart from completing the CBSE syllabus. So let me introduce you something from trigonometry, right? See, In trigonometry, we always deal with a right angle triangle. The triangle will be always a right angle triangle. Few years back in class 11th and 12th, sometimes the triangle which is named as hypotenuse Is my voice reaching to you, Akhil? Aro, you have the habit.
See your voice.
My voice is cracking, not reaching to you. Okay, just wait. Maybe some network issue.
Yes, sir, your video had got stuck for a few
Okay.
seconds.
What about my voice?
Sir, it is clear now. It is okay. Video is also okay. Audio, video, both
Video,
are.
video is okay now? Okay, good. So I was saying that we have to take right angle triangle always in the trigonometry part. Now, we know that suppose this is a 90-degree angle. So this point we know that the side opposite to the 90-degree angle, that is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, which is represented by the capital letter H. So in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is fixed. This is the side always opposite to the 90-degree angle. And that side is named as hypotenuse, represented as H. Now, there are two remaining sides. Suppose we are considering this angle, angle C. This angle we are considering. Suppose this angle is theta. Now, this is a notation read out as theta, right? Suppose this angle C, I have mentioned it theta. So if we are talking about this angle, then side opposite to this angle, the side opposite to angle C is AB. This side will be known as perpendicular, and it will be named as P. Then the third side which is remain there, that is known as base, denoted by B. I am again drawing the figure, same figure, naming it PQR. This is 90-degree angle. Angle Q is 90. So by the definition, obviously, this PR side will be hypotenuse, correct? Now I am talking about angle P. Suppose this angle is alpha. This notation is read out as alpha. So by the definition, which side will be called as perpendicular? Tell me. Who is going to tell me?
QR.
QR. Yes. By the definition, the side opposite to the angle, this will be termed as P. And then the third side which remains, that is known as base B. So we are learning that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse remains fixed. It never changes its position. It will be always the side opposite to the 90-degree angle. But perpendicular and base will keep on changing its position depending about which angle we are talking. Okay, in this figure, suppose KLM, this angle is 90 degrees. So tell me, which one is the hypotenuse?
Okay.
You can mute yourself and answer. Yeah. Rajshri is saying, okay. Video is okay for everyone. Rajshri is writing that it is a little bit blur. It is blur. Akhil, what about you?
Sir, it is
Okay.
very.
Okay. So I think there is some network issue here. Maybe just wait, just wait. It will
Sir,
be
I
fine.
think there is network issue at your end.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Rajan, you are there. So I'm leaving and joining again, right?
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. You can join again.
Is my video proper now? Or is still lagging? Yeah, still is saying okay. My voice is okay. Aro, Neil, Rajri, and back. You can confirm.
Yes.
Okay. So in this triangle KLM, tell me which one is the hypotenuse?
The KM.
This is the hypotenuse. Okay. Suppose I am talking about this angle K. Now, which is the perpendicular?
LM.
LN.
This is the perpendicular. Now the third side will be known as base B. Now this is one of the basic which we have to keep this in memory. Now in trigonometry, there are 6 basic ratios. There are 6 basic ratios, right? First is sine theta, then cos theta, then tan theta. Then sine theta is known as, it is the ratio between any two sides of the triangle. So sine theta is the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Means sine theta is P by H. This is the formula. Cos theta base upon hypotenuse, B by H. Tan theta perpendicular upon base, P upon B. Then the reciprocal of sine is cosec theta, which is H by P. The reciprocal of cos is sec theta. This is H by B. And the reciprocal of tan is cot theta. This is B by P, right? These are the 6 basic ratios defined in trigonometry, and we have to learn this by heart. See, when we go to see some movies, what happens? In first 10 or 15 minutes, the director or the writer of the film, what he does, he just introduces the character to the audiences. In the first 10 to 15 minutes, we learn, okay, this is the hero, this is the villain, this is the heroine, right? This is the father of the hero, this is the sister of the heroine, like that. So in first 10 minutes, we introduce something in the cinema that actor introduces. Similarly, the same thing happens in mathematics, physics, chemistry, everywhere. We have to learn the content later, but in the beginning we need to learn the characters by name, and we cannot answer a question why it is named at this. Like we cannot say why sine theta is P by H, why it is not B by H, right? Somebody can ask why cot theta is B by P, why it is not P by A. So it is similar to your name. I can ask why your name is Neil, why Aro's name is Aro, why Akhil's name is Akhil. So maybe possible that in your childhood, when your name was about to decided, your parents may have chosen some other name, but once it is decided, now stories begin with that. Similar thing happen in mathematics and physics, chemistry also. So these are the 6 basic ratios mathematicians assumed and they given them the name. Sin theta is a ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Cos is a ratio between base and hypotenuse. Tan sets a relationship between perpendicular and base. The reciprocal of tan is known as cot, reciprocal of cos is known as sec, and the reciprocal of sine is known as cosec. This we have to learn by heart. And after that, we have to go to the question. Now see, suppose I'm drawing a triangle here, ABC. Suppose this is 90 degree, this is 17, this is 8. And in the question, it is asking to find sin C, then tan A, then cosec C. We have to find this. Now see, in this triangle, only two sides are given, hypotenuse and one side, either perpendicular or base. From both of them, one is given. Now, we know that Pythagoras theorem, that is one of the important theorem. So if two sides are known, we can find the third side using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we can find BC here using the Pythagoras theorem. This is hypotenuse square minus AB square. Now, 17 square minus 8 square, 289 minus 64, and this is 225. So BC is now root 225, right? And BC is in fact 15. BC is in fact 15. We get BC 15. Now come to here. We have to find sin C, tan A, and cosec C. Now, sin C, the formula for sin theta, this is P by H. We have the memory, since this is sine, so write P by H. Now see the angle carefully. Which angle it is talking about? The angle is C. Now come to angle C. For this angle, AB is the perpendicular and the BC is base, and this is hypotenuse. So we have to take P by H. So for angle C, perpendicular is AB, which is 8, and hypotenuse is AC, which is 17. So sin C is 8 by 17. Getting? Fine? Good. Now, tan A, the formula, tan theta. Come to tan theta. The formula for tan is P by B. Now, P by B, perpendicular by base. Now see here, the angle is A. For this angle, tell me what is P? The value of P for angle A.
Sir, AB.
Yes, as I said earlier, if it is angle A, then side opposite to the angle, this is BC. This is the P. Arrow. BC is the perpendicular, right? So P is BC, that is 15. And this is the base for this angle A. So this is 8. 15 by 8. So the value of tan A is 15 by 8. Now, cosec C. The formula for cosec is H by P. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. H by P. Now, what is H? H is 17. And what is P? For angle C, again the angle is C. So P is AB. It is 8. 17 by 8. So cosec C is 17 by 8. We got all the three values. Okay. Showing one more example. Okay. Now, this is suppose 7. This is suppose 4. So we have to find. Now see, we have to find sin square C plus cos square C, sec square A minus tan square A. Suppose we have to find its value. What is the value? See in this figure again, this is 90 degree, so hypotenuse is H, that is 7 given. Out of these three, two sides are there. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find AB. AB is 7 square hypotenuse square minus BC square, that is 4 square. 49 minus 16, and that is root 33. So AB, we are not able to find the square root of 33. So we can write root 33 only because this is a rational number. Now we get AB as well. Now see, we have to find sine square C and cos square C. Now one basic meaning, sine square theta. What is the meaning of sine square theta? This is read out as sine square theta, and its meaning is a square of sine theta. This is the meaning of sine square theta. Sine theta whole square, that is written like this and read out as sine square theta. Okay, here it is sine square C. It means this is sine C whole square and this one is cos C whole square. Now I will write it again. Now sine C, the formula for sine theta, P by H, for sine P by H. So P by H whole square, cos C, the formula for cos, B by H whole square, right? Now come to the angle. Angle is C. For angle C, P is AB, the side opposite to the angle. In front of angle C, the side is AB. So this is the P. We can put it here, root 33 whole square, right? By H is also there. H is 7 whole square. Then cos C, angle C, B by H, this is the B, 4 by 7 whole square. Its square is 33 by 49. This is 16 by 49. When we will add 49, 30 plus 16, 49 by 49. So the value is 1. The value of sine square C plus cos square C is 1. Later we will learn that this is one of the identity used in trigonometry. Okay. Now see, in the same question, suppose we have to find the value of sec square A minus tan square A. This we have to find. Sec, its meaning is sec A whole square. Tan square A means tan A whole squared. Now sec A for this angle. Formula for sec, H by B. For this angle, this is B, this is P. This is P, this is B, this is H. So H by B, we can write H by B whole square minus here P by B whole square. Now for this one, H is 7, B is AB, root 33 whole square minus P is 4, and then the B is root 33 whole square. 49 by 33 minus 16 by 33, we will get 33 by 33, again 1. So its value is 1. Later we will also learn that this is also an identity used in trigonometry. Okay, can you find the value of this? The third one I am writing for you. Cot square A minus cosec square A. Okay, just do it. I'm waiting. What is the value you are going to get? Just try. Cot square A minus cosec square A. Cot, cosec here written. Yes. Base value. No, Arrow, not -4. No, no, no.
Sir, -1.
Yes, Akhil is correct. The answer is -1. See how? Cot square A. It means cot A whole square. This is cosec A whole squared. Now cot. This is B by P whole squared. Cosec. This is H by P whole squared. Now for angle A. For angle A. This is P, this is B, this is H. Side opposite to the angle is P. Hypotenuse fixed. So the third side is B. Now B by P. B and P. Root 33 by 4 whole square. Then H 7 by P 4 whole squared. Here 33 by 16 and then minus 49 by 16. We will get minus 16 by 16. After cancellation, we are going to get -1. So the value is -1. In fact, the three identities are which we have to memorize later. This is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Then sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. And cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. These are the three basic identities. We have to memorize it later. And we will continue using these identities as far as we are going to study mathematics, no matter how long. So it is always used. Okay, another one. One more example. In a right angle triangle, suppose PQR, suppose this is 3, this is 4 given. Now we have to find the value of sine theta into cosec theta, right? Then not theta, take R, sine R into cosec R. Then tan P into sine P. Okay. So as usual, two sides are given. Using Pythagoras, we can find the third one. So PR is in fact PQ 3 square plus 4 square. This is 25, so 5. So the hypotenuse is 5. Now, and for angle R, this is P, this is B, this is H. Sine R, P by H, cosec R, H by P, P by H, 3 by 5. And then H by P, 5 by 3. It will cancel, the value will be 1. Now, for this angle, angle P, the formula for tan theta, P by B, sine theta, P by H, right? For this angle, P is 4, B is 3, H is 5. P by B, 4 by 3. 4 by 3, then P by H, P is 4, H is 5. 4 by 5. After multiplication, the value is 16 by 15. This is the value. See, we are learning just the basics of the trigonometry. From here, the trigonometry begins. It begins its journey, and then it goes to very advanced level. In fact, there are 3 more identity of this type. I'm writing here. Sine theta into cosec theta is in fact 1. Then cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Then tan theta into cot theta is in fact equal to 1. And 2 more identities are there. Tan theta is in fact 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. We know earlier in the very basic part. So far, if anything there in your mind, now you have the time to discuss that with me. So far, which I have explained, is anything you want to ask? So, Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the third side if two sides are given. This point is clear. Now, we have memorized that sine theta is P by H, cos is B by H. Okay, this we have to understand or to memorize. We have to just memorize, right? Sine theta is P by H. The ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Cos is the ratio between base and hypotenuse. Tan is the ratio between perpendicular and base. Cot is reciprocal of tan. This is to keep in memory. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. This we have to keep in memory. After that, whatever be given in the question, we have to find the value. We have to solve them. Okay, one more question which is asked in the board examination. Now I'm going to show you one question of board level, right? So the question is 3 cot theta equals to 2. Then find the value of 4 sine theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 sine theta minus 3 cos theta upon 2 sine theta plus 6 cos theta. 2 sine theta plus 6 cos theta. This is given, we have to find its value. This is a question asked from in the board in some previous year, right? Now see, cot theta will be 2 by 3, 3 cot theta 2. So 3 will go at the denominator, cot theta is 2 by 3. And by the formula we know cot is B by P. So B is 2 and the P is 3. We get base and we get perpendicular, both. In the question it is given. Now, if required, we can draw the figure also. Suppose I am naming the triangle ABC and taking this angle C as theta, because the angle is given theta. I took this one as theta. So for this angle, this is P and P is 3. And this is BC is base. So this is 2. Now we have the perpendicular and base. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find AC. AC is 3 square plus 2 square, which is root 13. So this is root 13. We get AC. Now we have the AC also. All the three sides present. Now 4 sine theta. The formula for sine is P by H. 3 cos theta, B by H. 2 sine theta, again P by H. 6 cos theta, B by H. Now put the value 4. For theta, this is the theta. So this is P. 3 by root 13. 3 into 2 by root 13. Then 2 into 3 by root 13. 6 into 2 by root 13. Here 12 minus 6 by root 13. Then 6 plus 12 by root 13. Cancelled. This is 6 by 18. 1 by 3. The value is 1 by 3. The value of this expression we are getting 1 by 3. So this is one type of question which is asked in the board examination. Okay, see, there are many things to explain. In coming classes, we are going to learn a lot of things. Just in a demo class, what you have to see carefully. You have to find out whether I am able to explain the things positively, correctly or not. It's blur again. Video is blur again. I see writing. Video blur proper. Akhil, Aro, you can help me.
It's blur.
It's blur. Okay. Okay. Just wait. It will be fine. It will be fine. Just wait. Okay, just wait. It will be okay. Now it will be okay. Now fine. Okay, good. Yes. So, okay. So you have to see how I explain, whether you are able to understand my language, my voice. That is one point. But the other points are more important, which I am going to say now, which I am going to expect in the class from you. What I have realized, this is one of the crucial years for all of you. You know it better. No need to tell you about that. But what happens? One thing I'm going to tell you. See, I have been in this profession for 21st year. This is the 21st year. And I think your age will be around 15, right? So I have been in this profession for 25 years senior than your age. Rashri, identities. Okay, you want me to write those identities again? Rashri, say yes or no. Should I write those identities again? All the six? All the six or the later three ones? All the six? Fast, I'm waiting. All the six? The last three. Okay. Here. It is written, in fact. I have not omitted. Letter three. Yeah, it is here. See, then the thing which I am going to tell you, just listen me carefully. So, class 10 syllabus, that is more than enough. 4 months is more than enough to complete the syllabus of class 10. Keep this in your mind. No matter you are taking the class or not, but these are the points important for you. So just keep this in mind. 4 months are more than sufficient to cover the syllabus of class 10th mathematics. Now, what normally a student do, they spend the whole 12 months to complete the syllabus of class 12, while 4 months, maximum 5 months is more than enough. And then in coming 5 and 6 months, you should learn something of class 11th also. If you are going to do this year, then definitely next year you will be at ease. But if you are going to spend the whole 12 months to learn just the mathematics of class 10th, definitely in class 11th and 12th, you will find yourself nowhere. Because why that happens? Because the syllabus of class 11, combining physics, chemistry, and math, all the three together, it is 9 times the syllabus of class 10. It means whatever time you have to spend this year to keep the same marks, to get the same marks, you have to spend 9 times more time in class 11. So now if you are spending 4 hours in class 10th a day, how can you spend 36 hours a day? A day contains only 24 hours. We cannot change that. But if you are going to learn something of advanced classes also, definitely in 11th and 12th, you are going to get advantage from other students. So this is the other point you have to keep in memory. And in the classes, I am going to not to explain just of class 10th, many things of class 11th, many things of Olympiad level. We have the content. You have to solve all the questions. See, I have idea about Aro, I have idea about Akhil. So I am very much sure, yes, they are going to put their effort. But the students who are new to me, they have to understand that, yes, if you are going to put that much of effort, then this session will be helpful to you. Otherwise, just it will be a class taking experience. You are coming, taking the classes, and then just going back. So it won't help you much. So what I'm going to expect, if you are ready to work hard, you are ready to dedicate the 1 year to learn a lot of things of advanced classes, then definitely you should join the class. But you think that you are not capable of that much energy to put, then I think it will be just a time passing experience for all of you. So this is the final words to all of you. So if you are joining, just join with the full enthusiasm that you have to do something differently. And then join, you will definitely going to rock. One more thing is important, which I normally prefer, and in fact, I'm going to prefer that during the classes, everyone has to keep the camera on. This is one of the rules of my class. If you are not going to keep the camera on, definitely I won't allow you to be in my class. Normally, I remove from the class. And this time, we are going to be more stricter than the previous year. So you have to follow the rules also. And if you are going to follow our instructions, then definitely you are going to rock. That is the guarantee I can take. So that's from my side today in the demo class. And when the class will start, we will start learning a lot of new things. Anybody has anything to ask? If there is something in your mind, you can ask me as a doubt. Faik? No. Neil? Is there anything? No. Rashri, okay, Rashri done, no. Agastya? Agastya and Aban. Okay, and Aban? Obviously, yes. I take class 9th, 10th, and 11th also. So the teacher which takes your demo, that teacher is going to take the whole classes for the whole session. Right? Okay, Aro and Akhil are my oldest students. They have learned me in class 9th and 8th also. Right? So I know them very well. They know me very well. So how was the demo? Now is the time to tell me how was the demo. Is it proper? Below your expectation? Up to expectation? Neil, don't try to tell your experience. So any final words? Yes, RS, see. You have asked a good question. Let me clear it here. See, I'm going to explain this here. For a school examination, there are 3 types of books. NCERT, then RS, and then RD. Now, how they have constructed this book? In NCERT, suppose there are 25 questions. That's it. Now, in RS Agrawal, you will get all the 25 questions of NCERT and then additional 25 questions extra. This is in the RS Agrawal book. Overall, you are getting double of NCERT. Now in RD Sharma, you will get all the 25 questions of NCERT, then all the 25 questions of RS Agrawal, and then additional 25 questions of RD Sharma. Now in this way, these 3 books are formed. Now Faik, you tell me, which book we shall follow that we are able to follow all the 3 books? Faik, since the question was yours. Yes, Neil is saying RD. Faik, what your opinion? RD Sharma, yes. So if we are following this book, we are already following NCERT and RS and additional learning. But see, this is not sufficient for Olympiad. It is sufficient for Olympiad level 1. if you are following RD Sharma properly, you can go to level 2, but you won't get a good rank in level 2 by just solving RD Sharma. For that, you have to be additional previous year paper, then many sample papers, and then worksheets designed by us, by Olympiad Success. All these will be required. Then you can expect something at a state level or international level. Those are important. And again, these are going to help you in class 10th only, right? But if you are not learning something for class 11, then again, it is not going to help you next year. This session, everything will be fine, but 11th and 12th, you will find in a very awkward position, right? Due to syllabus, enhancement of syllabus. That's why we are going to cover all these, then these are, and then something from class 11. Now, that will be decided by me. I will decide which topic you have to learn because I have the idea what is going to help you next year. So I will choose the topics and then explain something like, read, we just learned trigonometry. Trigonometry you have to learn in 10th, in 11th, and in 12th. So I will give you some hint of class 11th as well. Not all the content of class 11th, but more than class 10th. So that when you start class 11th next year, you will find that, okay, you are at a better position than your friends. So we have to cover all these things. That's why I said that you need to be passionate. You need to be very hardworking in my class. Just by attending the class or just by watching the videos, it is not going to help you much. You have to practice a lot in mathematics. There is only one way to excel in math, and that is practice, practice, and practice. So if you are dedicated, then you all are most welcome. You will definitely enjoy the classes and you will learn a lot of new things. Fine. So I hope enough for today. And see you all guys again in the class. Right? Bye then. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Good night. Thank you.